When looking at an ear of corn, the first instinct is to strip away the long, stringy fibers and throw them out. But those fibers, the corn silk, contain a dense profile of compounds that are highly useful for the body. By processing the entire plant, we can yield two distinct formulations: an internal liquid to support joint and organ health, and a topical mask to maintain skin elasticity. Before we break down the exact ratios, take a moment to drop a comment below. Let me know your age and what country you're watching from, so I can tailor future protocols to our community. To execute this properly, you need a few standard supplies: fresh corn wrapped in its silk, a pitcher of filtered water, 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, and a teaspoon of shea butter. By utilizing the cob and the silk together, we capture the full spectrum of the plant's nutrients, turning what is usually considered agricultural waste into a complete, self-contained personal care routine. Step 1 is preparing our raw materials. Set up a clean work surface and bring out your fresh, young corn. Carefully peel back the husks to expose the silk. Gently pull these delicate fibers away from the kernels. Do not throw this silk away. The silk holds the highest concentration of therapeutic elements. Place the gathered silk directly into a heat-proof vessel. Set the bare young corn cob aside in a separate container for our second process. This initial separation acts as a biological triage. We've isolated the sensitive medicinal fibers from the sturdier nutritional core. With our material separated, we move to the thermal extraction phase to activate dormant compounds. This diagram maps our dual extraction. Path A starts with the silk. Pour exactly 600 milliliters of boiling water directly over the isolated fibers. Leave submerged for 40 minutes. This extended steeping ensures maximum compound extraction. At the same time, we initiate Path B. Submerge the reserved young corn in exactly 150 milliliters of water. Simmer for 3 to 4 minutes. Once both timers are up, filter the liquid from each path to remove all the solid organic matter. Keep the resulting liquids completely separate. The liquid from Path A is your internal wellness drink. For optimal results, consume 2 glasses per day, 1 in the morning, 1 at noon. By applying different temperatures and precise times, we successfully yielded 2 biochemically distinct bases from a single raw material. Shift focus to the liquid from extraction Path B. Allow it to cool completely to serve as our topical matrix base. Measure exactly 1 tablespoon of cornstarch and add it directly into the cooled liquid. This is a critical mechanical step. You must whisk the mixture vigorously right now, while cold. If you apply heat before the starch is fully dissolved, the polymers will clump, ruining the texture. Once the liquid is completely smooth, move the saucepan to the stove. Apply low heat for exactly 2 to 3 minutes. Keep stirring. You are looking for a sudden transition. The cloudy liquid will quickly tighten into a thick, smooth paste. Remove it from the heat immediately before it reaches a boil. Allow this paste to cool to room temperature. Once cooled, homogenize the mixture by thoroughly stirring in 1 teaspoon of shea butter. The cornstarch acts as a structural binder, while the lipids in the shea butter lock in moisture. Together, they form an optimal transdermal delivery matrix, ensuring the nutrients absorb evenly into the skin. The dual action system is now ready for use. We have our clear internal wellness drink and our viscous external mask. For the external protocol, apply an even layer of the mask across your face, neck, and décolleté. Leave it on for a strict 30-minute exposure time, then rinse it away completely with clean water. Maintain this topical treatment 3 times per week for the best cumulative results. To prevent spoilage between uses, transfer the remaining mask into an airtight glass jar. It must be stored in the refrigerator, where it will remain stable for a maximum of 7 days. By extracting the core compounds from both the silk and the cob, this unified botanical protocol provides targeted support for internal joint health while directly maintaining external skin longevity.